How to remove background color on Adobe Acrobat. Have you ever opened a PDF and been stuck with a background color you just don't want it? Maybe it's making your document look cluttered or printing is wasting a ton of ink. Don't worry, it's easier than you think to get rid of it in Adobe Acrobat. Let's do it. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Of course, open it up. Awesome. Now what you have to do is simply go to your top left corner. You can see all tools right over here. Tap on it. And there you can see an option for edit a PDF. Tap on it. That will open up a toolbar where you will see a bunch of new options. So right now I'm using a free version of Adobe Acrobat right over here. So I may not be able to show you the rest process, but I'll be explaining you the processes. So once you tap on edit a PDF, you will see a bunch of new options. And from there, simply tap on more. Did you see it? Click on that. In that drop-down menu, you will spot remove a background. Go ahead and click on remove the background. Adobe Acrobat asks you to confirm. Just click on OK or yes, whatever pops to the confirm. And that's pretty much of it. Check it out, the background color should be gone. Easy peasy, right? Now your PDF should look cleaner and it's definitely saves the ink if you are printing. Give it a try and let me know if it worked or not. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.